Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this episode of Logging It, I will be showing you how to use TikTok beauty mode. Now to begin with, let's open the TikTok application at first. Open the application. Once you open your app, you need to tap on the create icon on the bottom. Tap on create. Now once you open the application, to add the Beautify mode, you need to look at the right side of your screen. There are a few options available, or the effect or the filters available for the video creation. Here at the very middle, you will see the option of Beautify. You tap on it. Now you can choose all the features that you want to make correction in here. There's smooth, contrast, teeth, shape, lips, brow lift, contour, lipstick, shadow. You can make the changes by tapping on it. Once you're done, you can go back and you will have the effect ready for you to use. Then after that, you can start clicking your video for the effect to be applied. This filter is basically for the face, so you need to show your face straight to the camera. Here, as this is just a tutorial video, I'm just showing it as a background. But if you're gonna use this filter, you need to put the camera straight to your face and tap on Beautify filter and go through the options available and make the changes that are suitable for you. Then you can go back and click starting the video. Hope this video was useful and you have learned how easily you can apply the Beautify effect on TikTok. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and the updates. Thank you.